Hey, what's up, all my beautiful people? I'm just chilling. I'm in Woodland, Washington right now. Today I'm probably gonna go shopping at Vancouver. It's just not far. I'm near the mouth of the Columbian River right now. Yeah, near Salmon Run. In the beautiful place called the Great Pacific Northwest, and I am in the state of Washington today. You know where Mount St. Helens is? Well, the lava rock in the backyard. I don't know where it came from, but it's lava rock, and we are at the mouth of the Mount St. Helens. And it's a misty, rainy day, folks. It's always raining here. And I'm always enjoying talking to y'all. And if you're over 40, you're in the right place. Pick up your camera and start a channel on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube in 2025 needs our knowledge. If you were born in the 1900s, you got a lot to give to YouTube. You do. Just think, we know about shit that they ain't even heard of. The kids today ain't been exposed to nothing but a screen, folks. And we were warned against the computer. Sure were. We thought the world was gonna end in 1999. We predicted what's going on today, but it was movies.
Aren't those pines
I do believe MGM knew what was going on all the time because everything came true. Yeah. But anyways, it's beautiful here. It's beautiful. Look at that tree. It's real mossy. You probably can't see the moss from here. But yeah, it's real mossy, foggy, rainy. Beautiful day. Early spring, crispy. And we're in the rainforest area where it rains all the time. We ain't actually in the rainforest. We're in a real nice neighborhood with real nice views. And here, it's a garage conversion, but guess what? This house is for sale. It's for sale. Yup. This is the neighborhood. Yeah, very nice neighborhood. Beautiful community here, and everyone is cool, like Granny, like my sisters, like my mama, and like you. So y'all are the first ones to see this house, but this house is for sale. There was one open house, but the buyers, they had problems with something, so it had to be corrected. It was a mold problem. And it was because she broke a spigot, and people were picky. And if you sell a house today, well, it's got to be in tip-top condition. Let me walk out so you can kind of see what the house looks like. But yeah, this house is for sale, folks. And you would be not the first because the real estate, already. But yeah, this house behind me in Woodland, Washington is for sale. And YouTube's a great place for marketing. But I'm not a real estate agent. And my sister's selling the house. My sister and my mama. Yeah, they want to buy another one and do the same thing. And if they don't sell it, well, it'll be something real nice. Yeah, because that 3-car garage will become a house. We do nothing here but bring up the value of properties by adding on tiny sheds, tiny houses, and things like that. But the neighborhood is sweet. It's sweet. And you're surrounded by rainforest. Beautiful trees in the Pacific Northwest. Fog every day. Beautiful weather. It's like spring and fall, year around here. I gotta go now. Stay sweet, take it easy, and smile. Even if you're missing a toe. I am. I don't care. Peace.
Game over.